Hello and welcome to the Gamma Scout Research Laboratory from Fritz, and I want to show you today something what I changed on a Gamma Scout as an idea what you can do with a normal radiation meter. You see here a stripped Gamma Scout. Will explain you roughly what the elements are of the Gamma Scout. Need something to point to. This is the battery. Under there you see a processor and some special circuitry, and this is the counter tube. A counter tube is always a very nice element for counting radiation impulses out of normal radiation where we are hanging around on our Earth, coming in from the space or from materials we are living on. And you see the normal counts, what radiation means here on an oscilloscope. And these are about 17, 15, 12 counts per minute what this radiation tube is counting in the average radiation everybody has around himself when he's living on our Earth. Now we will put something in front of it. These are strums for lights which were sold years ago freely, and they have a little bit of thorium in it. It's not dangerous, they wouldn't have sold it if it would be dangerous. And you see the amount of pulses per time is increasing because this thorium is now giving elements through the counter tube, and the counter tube is counting them. And the little circuitry I've put additionally on this Gamma Scout, which is insulating these little pulses, is working. I have put another connection to the frequency counter, and then we can see how many of them in a short time are flying into the tube. And when you look at it, it's time of maybe 25, mostly 30, maybe 28, but in the average 3 to 10 pulses per second, shown as 11 to 20 Hertz. Now we just had a 19. Okay, the result of this you see here. When you now look at the circuitry, what I did, the circuitry is a operational amplifier which is connected to the pulsing transistor, where also the microprocessor is counting the pulses from. And the circuitry to be shown here existing out of a quad amp amplifier. There are 4 operational amplifiers in this chip, and 2 of them I used, 2 of them I shortened to not to get distortion and stuff. And I used them as an amplifying stage, first stage, and a signal turning around stage that you have positive pulses, as you see here, and not negative pulses as they come in from the counter tube. This will give us now the possibility to put another jack into the Gamma Scout housing, and with this jack and this cable it will be possible. It's just a 3.5mm standard audio cable. It will be possible to connect to any little jack on a laptop, for example, or any sound card. And then we will be able to record the pulses, and we can connect with this 3.5mm element another counting thing, like a counter here, or anything you would like to give the signal to, for long time measurement, for transporting it via Wi-Fi to somewhere else or so. This was done to a customer request, and I will finish it now today, and when I have finished it I will show you how it looks like on a computer, how the sound card is working with this. And so we say goodbye for now from the Gamma Scout lab of Fritz, and have a nice day. All over the world who was interested in seeing this, I say thank you and goodbye.